Seniors, here's a fact that will shock you. After 50, you start losing your muscles every year, whether you feel it or not. It's called sarcopenia. By 70, you could lose 25% of your muscle mass. By 80, it might be over 50%. That means half of your strength gone, half your stability gone, half your balance gone. Most people think it's just aging, but that's only part of the truth. The bigger truth is that your body is desperately trying to hold onto muscle, but if you don't give it the right support, it slowly gives up. And when muscle loss starts, it can spiral. You feel weaker, you avoid activity. That leads to even faster muscle loss. It's a dangerous cycle, one that can steal your independence without warning. That's why falls are so common in seniors. Weak legs can't stabilize you, weak arms can't catch you, and once you fall, recovery becomes much harder. Hospitalizations go up, complications happen. Even simple things like getting out of bed or standing up from a chair become difficult. But here's what no one tells you. This doesn't have to happen. Muscle loss after 60 is not a sentence. It's a warning that you can respond to today. You can reverse muscle loss even at 60, 70, 80, or 90. Your muscles can grow back. They just need the right tools. And you can see changes in as little as 7 days if you act correctly. Yes, you heard me right. Just 7 days. Scientists have discovered that even elderly muscles still respond to proper nutrition, specific nutrients, and gentle exercises almost immediately. That's the power of your living body. But sadly, most seniors never hear this. Instead, they hear slow down, rest more, or don't strain yourself. That's the worst advice. In fact, safe, proper muscle stimulation is exactly what aging muscles crave. And today, I'll explain how you can start reversing muscle loss this week. First, let's understand why muscles shrink with age. The first reason is your body's ability to build protein declines sharply. Your muscles are made from proteins. They constantly break down and rebuild themselves. When you're young, this rebuilding is fast and efficient. But after 50, your body doesn't rebuild as easily. You need more protein to trigger growth. Sadly, many seniors eat too little protein. A slice of toast, a bit of oatmeal, a bowl of soup. That's not enough. The recommended daily allowance of 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight is too low for seniors. Scientists now recommend 1.2 to 1.5 grams per kilogram. If you weigh 70 kilograms or about 154 pounds, that means 90 to 100 grams of protein every day. Without it, your muscles starve silently. The second reason is inflammation. As we age, our bodies experience chronic low-grade inflammation known as inflammaging. This inflammation damages muscle fibers. It slows repair. It makes you stiff, sore, and weak. The third reason is insulin resistance. Insulin isn't just about blood sugar. It tells your muscles to absorb amino acids and build tissue. But with age, insulin signaling weakens. Even if you eat enough protein, your muscles may not absorb it efficiently. That's why many seniors lose muscle even with decent diets. The fourth reason is declining hormones. Testosterone, growth hormone, and IGF-1 help maintain muscle. After 50, these hormones drop steadily. Without hormonal support, muscle fibers shrink. Strength fades. The fifth reason is nutrient deficiency. Seniors often lack vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, and B vitamins. These nutrients are essential for muscle health. Many medications, poor digestion, or limited diets cause these deficiencies. So even if you eat well, your body might still be missing vital nutrients. Finally, lack of proper exercise plays a huge role. Seniors are often told to take it easy, but doing less activity actually accelerates muscle loss. Muscles require resistance to stay strong. Without resistance, they weaken rapidly. Now, hearing all this might feel overwhelming. You might think, there's too much going wrong in my body. But here's the good news. You can address all of these factors with one simple 7-day plan. Let's break it down. First, you must increase your protein intake starting today. Focus on high quality, easy to digest proteins. Whey protein isolate is excellent. It's quickly absorbed and rich in leucine. Leucine is the key amino acid that triggers muscle building. You want at least 2.5 to 3 grams of leucine per meal. Good food sources are whey, eggs, chicken, salmon, tuna, and cottage cheese. You can easily spread protein across your meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, to maximize absorption. Second, add omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and directly boost muscle protein synthesis. Aim for 2 grams daily of EPA and DHA combined. You can get this from high-quality fish oil supplements or eating fatty fish like salmon, sardines, or mackerel several times a week. Third, check your vitamin D levels. Most seniors are deficient. Vitamin D supports muscle strength, balance, and nerve function. Blood tests can confirm your level. Many seniors need 2,000 to 4,000 IU of vitamin D3 daily to reach optimal levels. Fourth, include magnesium. Magnesium supports hundreds of processes in your body. It helps with muscle contraction, nerve function, and energy production. Many seniors are magnesium deficient due to poor absorption or medications. Take 400 to 500 milligrams of magnesium citrate or glycinate daily. Fifth, gentle resistance exercise is critical. You do not need to join a gym or lift heavy weights. Simple daily exercises make a massive difference. Bodyweight squats, wall push-ups, chair stands, resistance band exercises, all done for 15 to 20 minutes a day, stimulate your muscles safely. These movements tell your body, we still need these muscles, don't let them shrink. The sixth step is hydration. Dehydration weakens muscles and increases fall risk. Seniors often drink less water because of reduced thirst. So make a conscious effort to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. You can also add electrolytes like coconut water or, bone broth to support muscle function. And lastly, it's important to add anti-inflammatory foods into your meals. Fresh fruits, vegetables, turmeric, ginger, and green tea. All of these help fight inflammation naturally. Try to avoid processed foods, sugary snacks, and fried foods, since they really just fuel inflammation. Now, you might wonder, Barbara, can I really feel a difference in just 7 days? The answer is absolutely. By day 3, as your protein intake rises and inflammation falls, you'll feel less stiffness. You may notice more energy too. Digestion often improves pretty quickly. By day 5, your nervous system starts to adjust to the gentle resistance exercises and movements feel a bit smoother. Balance improves slightly as well. Some seniors report less joint pain as magnesium and omega-3s take effect. By day 7, your muscles are absorbing nutrients better. You feel stronger when standing up, getting out of bed, and even just walking around. Even your mood lifts as your blood sugar stabilizes. Studies confirm these rapid changes. One study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed measurable muscle growth in seniors following this protocol within 10 days, even for people in their 80s. Your muscles are hungry for nutrients and movement, and they respond fast when given the right care. Remember, muscle loss is not just about appearance. It's about your independence, your ability to stand, walk, and live freely. Muscle is your security. Without strong muscles, everything becomes harder. Simple tasks become dangerous. That's why seniors with low muscle mass have a 3 times higher mortality risk, according to the Journal of Gerontology. But you can change this. You can reclaim your strength. It starts with one simple decision. Start your 7-day plan today. Eat more protein, move your muscles, nourish your body. In 1 week, you'll feel the difference. In 1 month, you'll feel reborn. I've seen countless seniors transform their health following this plan. It's never too late. Your muscles are waiting. All they need is you to start. Now let's talk about what really happens inside your body during these first 7 days. The changes may surprise you. When you increase your protein intake, your body immediately starts absorbing more amino acids. These amino acids enter your bloodstream and head straight to your muscles. Your muscle fibers, starving for nourishment, begin to repair. The tiny tears in your muscle fibers, caused by years of neglect or inactivity, slowly start closing. Your cells activate what scientists call muscle protein synthesis. This is your body's natural repair process. Every time you eat enough protein, this process activates like a light switch. The leucine from your meals acts like the key that unlocks this switch. Your muscles respond quickly because they've been waiting for this signal. Meanwhile, as you take omega-3s, your inflammation begins to cool down. The stiffness you feel in your joints and muscles starts to reduce. Your circulation improves. More oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles. This helps them heal even faster. Vitamin D kicks in next. It strengthens your muscles and bones. It improves balance. It supports your nerves. Your coordination slowly improves. You feel more stable when you stand or walk. Magnesium supports your energy levels. You sleep better. Your muscles cramp less. Nerve signals improve. Even your digestion works better. Then comes the exercise. Those simple chair stands and wall push-ups send a powerful message to your body. They say, these muscles are needed. Keep them strong. Your nervous system adapts quickly. Movements feel easier. Standing up from a chair feels lighter. You feel more balanced. You fear falling less. As your muscles absorb the amino acids, they grow denser. You may not see massive size change in just 1 week, but inside your muscles are definitely getting stronger. Your posture improves, your back feels straighter, and your legs feel firmer under you. Your energy levels rise, and you wake up feeling more refreshed. Even simple tasks feel easier. Carrying groceries, climbing stairs, and even getting dressed feels smoother. You smile more because you can really feel the change. Your confidence returns, and you start walking more because you feel steadier. The fear of falling slowly fades away. Your family notices too. They say, you seem stronger this week, and you are. Your metabolism improves, blood sugar levels stabilize, cravings reduce, and your mood improves. You just feel hopeful. Studies back this up. In research, seniors who followed similar protocols saw measurable improvements in muscle mass and strength in just days. The body responds fast when given the right tools. Even at 80 or 90, muscles remain responsive. That's the miracle of human biology. Your muscles don't care how old you are. They care if you feed and use them. And in these first 7 days, you prove to your body that you still need strength, that you still choose independence, and your body responds gratefully. The journey doesn't end here. This first week builds the foundation. The following weeks make you stronger. Each day, your muscles grow a little more. Each step feels steadier. Each breath feels easier. This is not wishful thinking. This is science. This is your potential. And it all starts with one simple decision to take action now. Now let's talk about why this is urgent. Every day you delay, your muscles shrink a little more. This happens silently. You don't feel it at first. One day you notice climbing stairs feels harder. Another day standing up from your chair feels heavier. Soon you start avoiding certain activities. You move less, you sit more. The less you move, the faster muscle loss happens. It's a silent trap. Many seniors fall into it without even realizing. Then one small fall changes everything. A broken hip, a hospital stay, long recovery. Some never fully recover. They lose their independence. They need walkers, canes, or even caregivers. It's heartbreaking. I have seen it too many times. But it doesn't have to be this way. You have the power to stop it. You have the power to reverse it. Your muscles are not dead. They are waiting for you to activate them. They can still grow stronger. They can still protect you. They can still keep you independent. But you must act now, not next month, not next year, today. Because every week you delay, you lose more muscle. and the longer you wait, the harder it becomes to rebuild. But when you act now, you stop the slide. You break the cycle. You build strength with every meal, with every gentle exercise, with every supplement you take. You feel stronger, you feel safer, you walk taller, you live with confidence, your family worries less, you smile more. This is not about vanity, this is about freedom, about living your life fully, about playing with your grandkids, traveling, walking in the park, dancing, gardening, driving, living without fear. Strong muscles give you that. Weak muscles steal it from you. And remember, it's not just about muscles, it's about your whole health. Strong muscles support your bones, they protect your joints, they keep your blood sugar stable, they reduce heart risks, they improve brain health. Yes, even your brain benefits from stronger muscles. Studies show better muscle health links to lower dementia risk because, well, moving your body keeps your brain sharp. It improves circulation. It improves oxygen delivery. It supports mental clarity. This is a full body, full life benefit. That's why I call muscle your currency of independence. The more you have, the richer your life becomes. The less you have, the more restricted your life feels. So today, you have a simple choice. You can continue losing muscle. You can wait until you need help walking, until you need assistance dressing, until you fear falling every time you stand. Or you can start your 7-day plan now. You can flood your muscles with the protein they need. You can reduce the inflammation that blocks healing. You can balance your hormones naturally with proper nutrients. You can stimulate your muscles gently every day. You can drink your water, take your vitamins, move your body, and feel stronger day by day. You can take back control. You can reclaim your freedom. I've seen so many seniors do this successfully, people who thought it was too late, people who thought they were too old. But they proved it's never too late. Their lives changed. Yours can too. Don't wait. Start today. Your muscles are ready. They're waiting for your decision. Give them the care they deserve, and you will feel the difference faster than you ever imagined.